tall. Yellow building is short.
Okay. Now, what about the next picture?
Apple and coconut tree.
Okay, apple tree and coconut tree. Now, which tree is long? Sorry, tall?
Coconut tree.
Yeah, we will measure with tall or long.
Tall.
Why?
In length.
Length or height?
Length.
Tall. Nana, you are talking about tall. Okay. Nana, what is your question?
Why do you stand height order during the school assembly?
Okay. Why do you stand in height order?
In line.
Why? Why we'll stand in line?
Height wise.
Okay. Okay, Nana. Thank you very much. Next. Shivapriya? Okay. Now I'll go with another class. Manaha? Manaha, are you there? Yeah, Manaha, unmute yourself. Then okay, I'll wait for you. CH Ritika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, are you there?
Ma'am.
Yeah.
How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, Nana, Ritika, can you see the pictures on this page?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the third picture?
Bottle and cup.
Bottle and cap. Yeah. Now the bottle is dash than the cap.
The bottle is taller than the cup. The cup is shorter than the bottle.
Okay. Now what is the next picture?
TV and fridge.
Okay. Which one is tall?
Fridge, ma'am.
Fridge is taller than the?
Taller than the TV.
Okay. Sritika, I'll ask you one addition. 3 plus 4.
3 keep it in mind and 4 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7.
What is the answer? 7. 5 plus 3?
5 keep it in mind and 3 fingers. 5 after 8, 6, 7, 8.
Okay. Thank you, Amma. I think we have complete with maths with all the children. Manaha, are you there, Ma? Only Manaha is left.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Manaha. Yes. How are you, Ma?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. How are you?
Fine.
Yeah, ma'am. Go to the next page.
Fine. How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine. Thank you. Ma'am, go to the next page. Yeah, next page. Yeah, Nana. Madam, page number 13. Yeah, can you explain? What we do with the above pictures? What are they? Manaha? Ma'am,
Which?
increase the size. Increase the size. Rajalaksh madam, increase the size. Yeah, first one.
Length.
Yeah. What is this? First one?
Six pack. Foot
No.
span.
Yeah, foot span. Next.
Hands.
Okay.
Hand
Next.
span.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cubit.
Okay. Now here, can you see this picture?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you measure
Flower.
that? How do you measure?
Length.
Yeah. What you will use to measure that flower length?
Cubit.
Cubit. Yeah. Can you give me example for hand span? Which item you will measure hand span?
Eraser.
Eraser. Okay.
Clip.
Clip. Okay.
Sharpener.
Okay. Thank you, Manaha. Ma'am,
Okay,
we'll go with another subject. Yeah, it's science subject. Yeah. Yeah, Hanit. Hrithik. Nandita. Yeah, Nandita,
Yes.
unmute yourself, ma.
Yes, madam.
Yeah. What is your subject, ma?
EVS.
Yeah, in EVS, what is your topic?
Festival. Favorite festival.
Yeah, what is your favorite festival?
Diwali.
How do you celebrate Diwali?
Diwali is the festival of the lights. We wear new clothes. We fire in the evening. Delicious food, home decorate.
Do you like only Diwali or any other festival?
Batukama.
Batukama. How do you celebrate Batukama?
Flowers.
You'll decorate with flowers?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much, Nandita. Okay, next. Yeah. Rishwita. Vedakshari.
Hi.
Are you there?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What is your topic, ma?
What festival?
What festival do you celebrate at home? So what festival do you celebrate at home?
Sankranti.
Sankranti. How do you celebrate Sankranti?
Hi everyone, my name is Akshari. I am from Bentengu. Welcome to Chrysalis Day. I am studying first grade. My question is, what festival do you celebrate at home? Describe how you celebrate it. Recently, I celebrate Sankranti. Now I will explain celebrate Sankranti. Makara Sankranti is the celebration of the harvest festival. The fest is also called the kite festival. We will call Demon is Bogi day to which Sankranti and Pongal. The three is Kanova. On Bogi, people light bonfires, songs of food and sandwiches that not used longer. This day we will go to the temple find Marble Rangoli at my home.
Okay. Vedakshari, thank you very much. With whom you will celebrate the Sankranti?
Yes.
With whom?
Mother.
Mother? Only with mother?
Father.
Okay. With your family members, isn't it?
Brother.
Yeah.
Grandmother. And my brother. Me.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, Vedakshari. Okay, next. B. Aradhya.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening. How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, good evening, Aradhya. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Yeah, Nana, what is your topic?
My topic is what festival do you celebrate at home?
Yeah, what festival do you celebrate at home?
Ganesh Chaturthi, ma'am.
Why do you want to celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi?
Ma'am, that festival is my favorite festival, ma'am.
Yeah, how do you celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi?
I will celebrate. Hi everyone, welcome to Tinkudum Day. My name is Viaradhya from First Jasmine. From First Jasmine. My first question is, what is your favorite festival? My favorite festival is Ganesh Chaturthi.
Yeah.
My second question is, how you will celebrate at home? I will celebrate by making sweets and laddus and etc. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much. Okay, Harsha Teja?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Yeah, what is your subject?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your subject?
Yes, ma'am.
EVS. Yeah, what is your question? Yeah, how do you celebrate your festival?
Holi.
What festival do you celebrate?
Holi, ma'am.
Holi. How do you celebrate it? How do you celebrate it? Home. Yeah, at home.
My question is, what festival do you celebrate? Describe how you celebrate. My favorite festival is Holi. It is the favorite festival of colors. I like to play with colors.
Do you play with colors?
This
Harsha Teja? Do you play with colors?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Harsha Teja.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, next. Smanuta. Smanuta. Yeah, okay. Yeah, G Saket.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, how are you? Sound strong. Okay. Good evening, Saket. How are you?
I'm good, thank you, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine, thank you. What is there at the back of you?
Pink room special.
What is the special?
Pink room day.
Yeah, Think Room Day. What festival is that?
Deepavali.
Yeah. How do you celebrate Deepavali?
Hi everyone, my name is Ashish. I am studying first class. My school name is Siddhartha Padikran School. It is Pink Room Day. My group name is Heidi. What festival do you celebrate at home? Deepavali. How do you celebrate it? Deepavali is the festival of light. It is one of the biggest festivals in India. Deepavali is the festival of returning of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile.
Okay, can you explain what is there at the back of you? Show it and tell me what are they?
Deepavali,
Hmm?
butterfly, Chitti Bhuchakran,
Okay.
Sinkum Day.
Thank you, Saket. Yeah, thank you very much. Now, Varun. Okay, thank you. But you said no? Thank you very much. Okay? Yeah. Now, Varuni. S. Hashwita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good
Nana,
evening, ma'am.
good
How are
evening,
you?
Nana. I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, what is your topic?
How do you celebrate Diwali?
Yeah, how do you celebrate Diwali?
Good morning, good evening, teachers, and good and my
Nana,
dear
just you
and
tell me
my friends.
how do you celebrate Diwali? That's it.
Okay, ma'am.
How?
Sweets is prepared.
Okay.
Wear new dresses.
Okay.
Lakshmi Puja.
Hmm.
Very dishes prepared. Gifts change.
Okay, changing gifts. Okay.
Relative friends. Crackers.
Okay.
Children enjoy the crackers, etc. And thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Nana, Hasya Sri.
Madam, I want to read stories.
You want to read story? Yeah, I'll give you time, Mama. Once, let me complete everyone, then I'll give you time to read story. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Open
Yeah, ma'am.
Hi ma'am, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you. What is your subject, ma?
EVS ma'am.
Yeah, EVS. Now, what is your question?
What celebrates festival?
Yes, what festival do you celebrate, isn't it? Yeah, tell me, what festival do you celebrate?
My school name is Siddhartha Butterfly Preschool. My section is medical and fruity. I am going to discuss about a topic is Diwali festival. All festivals my favorite, but Diwali my favorite. It is a traditional and cultural festival.
Okay.
Celebrated by each and every Hindu person all over India. Declare their houses. It's fried rice, saras, rangoli, candlelights, Diwali festival enjoyed by everyone. Crackers,
Okay.
rangolis,
Okay.
happy Diwali, sweets and chichibuddi, buchakram. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you very much. Now, Sai Satvik. Sai Satvik. Okay, Siddharth.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
yeah. Hi, Siddharth.
Hi.
How are you?
I am fine, ma'am.
Yeah, what is your topic, ma?
Remembrance Festival.
Yeah, festival. What festival do you celebrate?
Diwali.
You all okay. Now, how do you celebrate your Diwali? How you celebrate it?
We have Kedareshwara Ratham. We paint. We decorated with flowers and torals. We inviting the relatives. We prepare food items and sweets. Evening time, we Kedareshwara Ratham.
Okay. Okay.
We put the complete Ratham. We put diyas.
Okay.
We fire the crackers and bombs. Go to the dinner.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Siddharth.
Thank you
very much, ma. Now, Yadvita Srikari.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you. How are you?
How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Yeah, what is your subject?
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening, Srika. Yadvita. Okay, Yadvita.
Yadvita Srikari.
Very good evening. How are you? Are you enjoying this program?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Good to see
sir.
all your friends. Yeah, that's good. If you're enjoying, that's fine. Come on, let us go ahead. Let us go with your question, right?
Yeah, what is your topic,
Okay,
ma?
sir. Festival, ma'am.
Festival. Okay. What festival do you celebrate?
Diwali, ma'am.
Yeah. How do you celebrate it?
Hi everyone, my name is Yadvita Srikari. My group is fruities. Ma'am.
Yeah.
That's okay.
My
Yadvita.
favorite.
Yadvita.
Yes, sir.
Don't go for all those things. Simply you say, what is your favorite festival?
My favorite festival is Diwali.
Okay. Why it is so?
On the day, we will wear new clothes.
Okay.
We will wear new clothes. On the day, we will do Lakshmi Puja at home. We will make different sweets.
Oh, do. Oh, good.
We'll burn crackers.
Okay.
Rockets and chichbudi.
Okay, you fire crackers.
Yes,
You
sir.
fire crackers and you love flower parts. Okay, chichibudis. Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what else you love? Any other festival other than Diwali you love most?
Ugadi.
Ugadi.
Sir.
Ugadi. What do you know about Ugadi?
Different sweets.
Okay. So it seems you love sweets. It seems.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you know Ugadi is also there is something special about Ugadi?
What happened?
Yadvita, there is something special. Ugadi Pachadi. Okay, it's also New Year. It's according to our culture. It is New Year. Okay. Yeah, fine, madam. Please go ahead.
Yeah.
Please go ahead,
Telugu
madam.
New Year. Okay. That's good. Yeah, Nana, thank you very much. Yeah, thank you, Yadvita. Now,
Sri.
yeah, ma'am.
Srihit, Sahil Arman, and Shrestha Reddy.
Yeah. That's I missed that one. Yeah, only 4 are there. Shrestha.
Srihit.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm talking to Shrestha. I'm asking Shrestha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Shrestha, are you there, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Nana, what is your topic?
Ma'am, big and small.
Big and small. Okay. So, who is taller in your family, ma?
My father.
Who is shorter in your family?
Me.
Yeah, what would you like to do if you are as tall as Giraffe?
If I am taller than Giraffe, I can pluck the fruits easily and share with my friends.
Okay, what would you do if you are as shorter as Mouse?
If I am shorter than Mouse, I can run and climb here and there. When the parents come, hide under the lid. Make a fun. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Can you tell me what is 2 plus 4? How much?
To keep it in the mind, open 4 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5. The answer is 5.
2 plus 4. Count again.
To keep it in the mind,
okay.
Open 4 fingers. 4, 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6.
What is the answer?
6.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Sahil Arman.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening,
Yeah, good evening, beta. Very good evening.
Yeah, Sahil. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Yeah, what is your top? Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you. What is your topic, ma?
Long and short.
Yeah, long and short. Who is taller at your home?
Father.
Who is short?
Me.
Oh, you are short. Okay. What would you like to do if you are as tall as giraffe?
I would like to a fresh bit.
What will you do?
I would like to take a fresh bit.
Okay. Something, it's not clear. No,
It's okay,
can you
it's okay.
tell me once again?
You like to?
I would like to take a fresh bit.
Fresh
Okay.
breath. Okay.
No, did you see giraffe? Did you ever see giraffe?
Yes.
How it is? Is it short or is it very tall?
Tall.
Tall. What is advantage of giraffe? What way it is so? What is advantage of its height? Suppose, Sahil, if I am a giraffe, I need not climb a tree. Straight away I can pluck the fruits. So if I am a giraffe, I would have plucked all the fruits. If you are a giraffe, what do you want it to do?
I can touch the sky.
Oh, you can touch the sky. My God. Good. Style. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you compare your father and yourself and tell me who is taller, who is shorter?
Father is taller.
So my father is taller than me, right? Your father is taller to you, right?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any object? Can you compare shorter and can you compare two objects?
Yes.
Please compare and show me. Compare.
Width is shorter than the powder. Powder is taller than the width.
Oh, very good. Very good. Now you understand the concept. Very good, beta. Yeah. Very good. Fine, madam. Very good.
Yes. Sahil, can you tell me how much is 5 plus 4?
5 keep it in the mind. 4 fingers. 6, 7, 8, 9.
What is the answer? Yeah, once again. Repeat once again. What you said is correct, but I can't hear.
Hello.
5 keep it in the mind.
Say the
4
answer.
fingers.
What you done is right. Say the answer.
9.
Yeah, thank you, Sahil. Thank you very much. Srihit?
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening, Nana. How are you?
I am fine. How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, thank you. I'm fine. Thank you. Now, what is your topic?
Right, ma'am. Tall as a giraffe.
Yeah, okay. It's math. Now tell me 3 plus 2.
Ma'am, 5.
5. 4 plus 3.
4 plus 3. Ma'am, 7.
Good. 3 plus 1.
4.
4. 2 plus 2.
1, 4.
1 plus 5.
1 plus. Ma'am, 6.
1 plus 5, 6. Thank you very much, Srihit. Nana, now tell me, what would you like to do if you are as tall as giraffe?
I can climb any hills easily.
Okay.
And I can touch stitch.
Okay. If you are as shorter as mouse?
Ma'am, I can sleep any place. And eat any food.
Yeah. Show me 2 objects. long and short, or tall and short, whatever it may be.
One the book is taller.
Okay.
Story book is smaller.
Okay, short. Okay, thank you, Srihit. Ma'am, I think we have only one or two children. We have only 1 minute. Within half an hour, we can complete our session. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
I hope all will join again. We won't take much time. We'll complete very quickly.
Okay.
We have only 1 minute time. We'll complete it. Yeah. Thank you, Srihit. Thank you very much, Ma.
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Nana, next, be Snehita. Be ready, Amma. In next session, we'll complete within 15 to half an hour. Snehita, be ready, Amma. Are you there?